Changing your legal name on Cvent is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly in the system. Step 1. Log into your Cvent account. Access your Cvent account by entering your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your profile. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, go to the profile section of your account. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Locate the name change option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that you enter it exactly as it appears on your legal documents to avoid any discrepancies. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your name has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Cvent should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cvent support for assistance.